directionally is on the way up. But let's find out what dealing rooms are saying. Nimesh is now joining in with all the chatter. Nimesh.
Hi, Rimana. So you'll expect this up move because the feedback is that the rollover has been quite strong. So you might see a bit of a reaction on the upside on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty in the last 30 minutes. But otherwise, it's been a quiet day. The flows are quite muted as well. I guess today's flow will not be much important because of the expiry. So not much to read into. A couple of things which stood out for me. One, the entire May series belonged to the broader market sector stocks. And looks like that momentum is going to continue in the June series as well. So again, could be a series where the Nifty could be range bound, but you might see a big action in the broader market names. Second, I guess now that the earnings season is coming to an end, the most important thing to watch for the next series would be the RBI policy and the rate cut. So again, you're seeing a bit of traction into the rate-sensitive names. All the real estate stocks are buzzing in trade, so are some of the NBFCs as well. So that could be one space which can see a lot of action in the beginning of the June series. So that's something to watch out for. And I guess, in the May series also, there's been a quite rotation happening from banks to IT, and within IT it's the mid-cap IT where there is a bit of flow moving back from the larger institutions. So it looks like for the June series, the sector to watch would be IT, and within that the mid-cap IT could be in focus. So that's the overall feedback from a market position point of view. But I guess from a flow perspective, being an expiry day, nothing much to read into.
Well, that's right. Nimesh, at the start of the show, the girls were saying that it's too quiet a day. I said that, we'll get some move, and it appears that's taking place, at least as of now. Nifty moving towards the higher end of the range. And the Nifty bank, actually, that was down 200 points, moving up. Purely expiry-related play is playing out. That 3 p.m. move has come about. But Nimesh, individual stocks, what are you picking up?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock is Hyundai Motors. Been consolidating in a very narrow range of late. But again, the feedback is that there could be a large block coming soon in Hyundai Motors, so that's something to track there. Second stock is LIC. We saw big move yesterday post the earnings and the management commentary, but the volumes have actually picked up. There is a bit of buying as well. I understand one domestic large mutual fund has been an active buyer in the last couple of days in LIC. So that's the second stock. And remember, 950 is the IPO price. So once it crosses that, you might see a bit of further traction as well. So that's something to track there. The third stock is Canara Bank. Within the PSU banks, this is one stock which has consistently been delivery marked by larger institutions. So again, there is a bit of buying interest in Canara Bank in today's market. And the last is a couple of stocks where there is delivery-based selling. Vedanta as well as Power Grid, both have seen some delivery-based selling today. So looks like some bit of profit booking for larger institutions in both those names today.
Thank you very much for that. Nimesh, I was looking at mid-cap IT since you said that it's finding favor. And it has. This month, in the month of May, Zensar is up 18%. So is Coforge. Tata Tech is up 17%. Hexaware has a 16% rally to boast of. Firstsource Cyient have gained close to about 15%. Tata Elxsi, LTI Mindtree are up nearly 11 to 12%. We're talking about the month-to-date gains for the month of May. So buying has really come back in mid-cap IT compared to frontline IT. But thank you very much for that. Mitesh is now back with us for a few